We are in the last month to enjoy the products sold from both the annual 2022 to 2023 catalog and the mini January to May 2023 catalog. All of my videos this month will feature retiring colors and products. It's the last kick of the can for you to purchase the items and for me to demonstrate with them. Please note that some of the products may be sold out because of the last chance sale going on right now, where some of the products are deeply discounted. Happy Wednesday, everyone. For today's card design, I am using the retiring products here featured, the Kind and Sincere stamp set, the polished pink ink, and the Hues of Happiness paper. I am inking up my sentiment with Memento Tuxedo black ink. It says, "Thanks for being so." And then I am using the polished pink ink to stamp the kind word. And then I'm going to fussy cut that out. I sped that up real fast. I do not cut like this. I am not Edward Scissorhands. I know I have a hair salon and I do cut people's hair, never this fast. I don't recommend cutting this fast at home at all. You're going to lose a finger. Anyway, I fussy cut that out, sped up the video. So I made a whole bunch of these because I like this paper. And if you shopped with me for the free shipping, you would be getting a thank you card that is like this. So again, I had a little problem with the video and you didn't see me adhering the paper to a basic white base and then the polished pink card base, but you know, I did it, and just pretend you saw it. You've seen me do it a million times before. All right, so here I have mini Stampin' Dimensionals behind the kind, and I'm just going to adhere that right there. Doesn't that look great? Oh my God, I love it. So I also have some glue dots here, and I am using, I think these are called loose flowers, florets, something or other. It doesn't pick up really well because of the busy paper, but they were the right colors and I like embellishments. So that is what I'm doing today. You'd be interested to know that I have finally got my pre-order and just the amount of products and colors, and I'm sort of like overwhelmed almost with all these new colors. And I wanted to make mention that I have an in color club, and in case you are Canadian and watching and you want a really good deal on and get, you know, all the products from the in colors, I'm happy to share with you. I'll put the link in the description box below so you can read all about it. So you get a whole bunch of stuff every month for 5 months. Anyone can join. You can join at any time. There's no, you know, you don't have to be a host or anything like that. It all works out really well. So I'm using some of those, what are they called? Pearlized enamel effects in the white version to make the little dots on those flowers. Super cute. Have to let this dry for a little bit. And that is my cards for today. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and thumbs upping and all of the YouTubey things. I appreciate you guys so much. These are the other colors and variations of the cards that I made. Kind of very simple, but I really like the design. So that's all I have to say today. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.